This just happened? This just happened? Okay. Does he live here? Okay. So, okay, how long has he lived here?
He lives around Ashland.
Well, you just said he stays here, man.
We'll be there shortly.
So that means he lives here, man.
Earlier, he was there.
Yes, so I get that with the property, okay? But the problem is, if he's there on his loan and then we have to go in there and induce an officer-involved shooting, the life of somebody that's going through a crisis versus property outweighs the property. I get that. Property can be replaced, but somebody's life can't be replaced. Tasers don't always work, ma'am. Yeah, the RP's out here. They just pulled up a little bit ago.
I was trying to speak, and you got me on the phone with all these other dumb bitches. No, what? You finna hate me after you see what I fucking did.
Hey, Michael, it's Officer Rodenbeck, City of Beloit Police.
Hey, shut the fuck up. I don't care if you fucking my bitch or not. Fuck you.
Well, I'm not. I'm a cop.
Dude, you just shut the fuck up, dude. Shut the fuck up. And you got two dumbass bitches in the background talking that shit like I ain't a...
Welcome.
Right? Let's come outside.
Hey, just back up. Well, if he comes out with a knife, ma'am, he probably... Yeah, he's screaming on the phone.
Can't help you on Ashland.
Okay. Does he have any firearms that you guys know of? Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife! 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 Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! I said fucking drop it! Drop it! Drop it! The fucking knife! Drop the fucking knife! Drop the fucking knife! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the fucking knife! I will shoot you! Drop the fucking knife! Drop the fucking knife! Drop it! Put it down! Put it down! Hey, do not walk towards him! Put it down! Put it down now! Put it down! Put it down now! Put it down now! Put the knives down now! Put it down! Put it down now!
I'm gonna go towards her.
Shots fired! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Stop! Stay down! Hey! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Brody, back up!
Shoot my ass, that bitch! Shoot that fucking shit! Shoot me, motherfucker! You think I give a fuck about my... Fuck you! That bitch! You look your guys, brother! You dumb as fuck! Fuck all you!
Get in the car! Get in the car!
go towards her.
Back up! Stop! I told you to get in your... Your car. Put it down!
Scary.
Put it down now!
I'm gonna go towards her.
Shots fired. Back up! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away!